Hi there, my name is Chris Njau and I'm at Vision Gardens, Konza. For those of you who bought into Vision Gardens, this is a 1-star and it is sold out. Vision Gardens is only a very short distance from the Konza Technopolis, and for those people who invested here, come and build. You can see our neighbors here have built on this other far end. They've built. Look also towards my right. You can see these big houses coming up. This is a very neat neighborhood. And by the way, we said, let's come and check out. Kulikuwa kumenyesha. Let's come and check out how the property is. It's well drained. You can easily access it. If you missed out on Vision Gardens Konza, don't worry. We have other available properties in our portfolio. Check out this video.
Hi there, my name is Dr. George Washuri. I am here to present to you a wonderful place you can build a retirement home. Where else other than Ocean View Ridge, Vipingo by Optiven? This property is well manicured. You have a perimeter wall. We are doing a swimming pool. We just concluded a beautiful entry gate. Only 2 miles to the ocean. Do you want to retire in the coastal region? The best property ever with Optiven. Don't be late.